Hi students, we are continuing our chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Last video we have completed up to page number 101. Today we will start from page number 102. Here I will read the first question. Some patterns are given on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule, then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. Students, observe the patterns given here. Both the side, there are two columns there, left side and right side. Left side of this, from the middle, there is a red line. Left side of the red line, three patterns given or some figures given. You have to observe these figures and what will be the next pattern. Continue to follow the rules given in this figure. Find out the correct position of these pictures, otherwise correct pattern to follow this rule. And just below that patterns, two lines given, which rule is followed in these patterns, that also we have to find out. Students, last class we learned about 45-degree turn, 90-degree turn, 60-degree turn, 120-degree turn, 180-degree turn also you learned. Here we have to observe the figure. For observing, see that first picture, the top portion is purple color. If you observe the top portion, you will be easy to find out how much turn the figure takes in the second position. See, in the second position, the purple color is slightly turned to right side. That means this we know that the 1/8 turning of or 1/8 part of 1/8 turning has done in the second position. 1/8 turning means 45-degree. From the first position to second position, this picture turned to 45-degree. And the third position, see, from the right side to slightly changed to the next 45. So 45 plus 45, 90-degree. So from the top to right side, right hand side, it came the purple color. That means 90-degree that turned to right side. So we can write the rule for this figure is figure turns by 45-degree clockwise. Otherwise you write turns by 45-degree clockwise each time figure. Now third figure we observed, it came on the right side. Now what will be the next position of that purple color? Is it first one correct for that next clockwise direction or turning to right side? No, that is not correct. Now the second option, see, the purple color is moving to right side 45-degree. So the second pattern is suitable for the next position of this figure. Students, write this rule in the lines and tick the second option also in the textbook. Not need to write in notebook. Do this in the textbook only. This page we are continuing in the textbook only, not doing in notebook. Now we will move to the second question, question B. Here one figure is divided into four colors. See, four parts are given, divided into four parts. 1/4 turn is doing. 1/4 turn means we know that 1/4 is showing the 90-degree turn. 1/4 turn means 90-degree turn to right side. See that orange color is coming to the from left side to the right side, top part. So that movement or the turns shows the 90-degree turns of right side. That means clockwise direction. The third position is showing that again that purple color comes to the or the orange color comes to the downside. That orange color again turns to right side 90-degree. So what will be the next pattern the orange color will go? Is it right? The first option, again it will goes to upside? No, that option is wrong or not suitable for the next pattern of this figure. Now see the next orange color should come. If it follows the same rule, it will come at the position of that orange or left side of the or the purple colored part, the orange color will come. So which option is correct, suitable? Second pattern is suitable for the next position of this figure. So there also you have to put a tick mark. Now this is our third question. See, question C. Question C, and a vertical figure of yellow and green colored pattern showing here. The second figure you observe from just opposite of, as it first one was vertical, that second position is coming, the green color is coming just to downwards. That means it moves in a clockwise position of 90 degree. Now third position, you see that the green part only you always take in observation. That green portion came down. If it moves again to clockwise direction, that portion will come to that left side of that figure. So left side, that green part means the third position is showing. So if we select, if we choose to, or if we have to draw the next pattern of this, next position of this pattern, or next turn of this pattern, which will be the suitable pattern for this? For here right side given, that first one you see that green portion is going to upside. Yes, so this green part and this green part are the same portion. So the first option is correct for the next pattern of this figure. The second pattern is not suitable. Both are horizontal, so you are confusing, you will get confused. But the you want the which part you first selected to show the movements, that only you have to always keep in observation. Then you find that the downward portion of blue green color move to the upside. So the first option is the correct for this pattern. So tick the first option and write this rule for this pattern. Now we will move to the question 4D. Here we have given an S-shape pattern. See that which rule is followed here and which will be the suitable turn for the next pattern of this figure. See, first one, the biggest part or the lined part is showing on the top portion, but in the second position or the second figure, it is showing the left side. Here we know that this pattern is moving in anti-clockwise direction, downwards going, not in clockwise direction. This pattern is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So here how much it turns that figure? From the top part to the left side it came, means it took 4 turns here. From this pattern we understood that it taking 4 times. So first portion to second position, it reached at the lower side, left side, lower portion. Now see the third figure. Third figure, again that part is moved to the downwards right side. That means here once more turn means 90 degree, that figure turned to anti-clockwise direction. Now the fourth figure, see that if it turn again to anti-clockwise direction, that part will go up, move to the upside horizontal position. So these 4 figures we understood that this pattern is moving in 4 steps. That means 1/4 movements or 1/4 part of the turns. 1/4 means 90 degree. So you write the rule here. The figure turns by 90 degree anti-clockwise direction in each time. Now we have to select or choose the which position will be the next pattern of this figure. Which will be, if this side move to the upside, where it will reach on the top part. So which position is correct for this figure? The first one. Second one, that part is showing in the downward, showing at there downward. So that figure is not suitable. The first pattern is suitable for this figure to complete the next position. Students, complete this page in the textbook. Now we will move to page number 103. This page we have given some patterns or designs, and these patterns are following some rules. Among these, one of the pattern or one of the figure is not following the rule. That pattern we have to find out and to make it correct. See, let's read the question. Look for a pattern, mark that picture which is breaking the rule, and also correct it. How many figures are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 patterns are showing in the first question A. And you see two colors are given here, yellow and orange color, or brown, whatever be it, or yellow and orange color. In the first figure or first pattern, that orange to yellow color is on the upward position and the circular design also on the topmost portion. But in second figure, it come just upside down. That means the opposite side of the first figure. In the first figure, it was on the topmost portion, the circular design. But in the second figure, it is at the downward portion. That means the just opposite direction. That means here this figure has taken an half turn. Half turn means 180-degree turn. Now observe the third position of this pattern. The third position again it reaches at the upward position. That means every half turn the figure will reach at the original position. The first figure, the circular portion was on the top side. So the third position also it came at that figure or the pattern reached at the original position. That means here it has taken a 180-degree turn. That means half turn taken. Now see the fourth figure. Here fourth figure also following the same rule, half turn showing. One figure on the top side, second on the down side, third on the top side or upward direction, and fourth will be the downward direction. So what will be the, if it follow the same rule, what will be the next position? Then in fifth figure should be on the upward position. Yes, that also correct. But see the sixth figure. In the sixth figure, if it follows the same rule, the circular side should come at the downward position. But here it has given at the same upward position only. So that figure or that pattern is not following the rule. That figure, the sixth one, has breaking the rule. So you put a tick mark there in that picture. See, I have showed it. Answer for this first question. The sixth figure is breaking the rule. The sixth figure is not following this rule. So you put a tick mark there. And next figure also you observe. If the sixth will be downward, the next will be the upward. Yes, it is correct. So the one figure only breaking the rule, the sixth one. You have to put a tick mark in that figure, just below the sixth figure. The sixth one is breaking the rule. Now we have to correct it. See, the sixth one we have corrected here. See, the wrong one we have done the tick mark. The circular portion should come the downward. That I have corrected it. The corrected figure also showing here. The corrected figure is as follows. 7 pictures are following the same rule. This is the first question. Now we'll move to the second question. Question B. Here we have given the figure or pattern of an umbrella. In this umbrella, the opened position of this umbrella part is on the right side. After that, it has taken a clockwise direction turn. Umbrella taking a clockwise direction. Here, see, first figure, second figure, and third figure and fourth figure. 3 figures you observe. How many positions it took? 4 positions. That means 1/4 turn this umbrella is following. Umbrella is following 1/4 turns. 1/4 turn means 90-degree turn. The first right side position umbrella showing, and it again after 90-degree it came at the downward position. Again 90-degree means 180 position it reached at the left side portion. Again 90-degree means 360. The fourth position, in the 1/4 turns, any object will take the original position or original pattern. Every 1/4 turn or 1/4 turn, the fourth position will show the original position of the object. Here the original, fourth turn. Fourth turn means fifth position. Fifth position. See, fifth position. 1/4 turn means first position umbrella in the right side. First turn means here. Second turn means here. Third turn means here. And fourth turn means fifth figure. Fourth turn, fifth figure, the umbrella reached its original position. That means the umbrella is following a 90-degree turn. Now see the sixth figure. Sixth figure, if it turn 90-degree, the umbrella should come at which position? It should come at the downward direction. 90 degree means the second figure you see like this. The next, if it follows the rule or without breaking, if the pattern is showing, the umbrella should come at the downward position. But the sixth figure is not showing the downward position, it is at the upward position. So here also the sixth figure is wrong, it is breaking the rule. So you put a tick mark there, I will show it, and we have to correct it. See that sixth position, the umbrella should come in this position, and I have corrected it. Put a tick mark in the sixth figure, and this is the correct pattern of this figure. Now we will move to question C. In question C, we have given a figure or pattern of a bird flying. We have given the figure of a bird. But here first three birds are flying upward, and the fourth one is flying downward, fifth one is flying upward, and the sixth one is flying downward. Here total 6 figures given. 3 birds are flying upwards, and fourth and sixth are flying downwards. But in middle, that means fifth one is showing or breaking the rule. If it is following the rule, or if it has to follow the same rule, the fifth bird should show the position of downward. That means here the fifth figure is wrong. Fifth figure is not following the rule. It is breaking the rule. So put a tick mark in the fifth figure. Fifth figure is wrong there. Now this is the correct way or correct pattern of this figure as it is following the rule. See that 3 birds are flying upwards and 3 are flying downwards. Now this question also completed. Students, you have to do in textbook. Now the last question of this part, question D, we have given 2 types of designs or 2 types of pattern. See that how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7 patterns are there. The first pattern is showing a diamond shaped pattern. Here in the diamond shape, the first portion is showing a purple color, and inside the purple color there is orange circle, or circular shape is orange, and inside that circle orange color there is a yellow triangle. Now see the second pattern. Second type of pattern is triangular shape. In the triangular shape, the triangle is yellowish color. Inside the triangle there is an orange circle, and inside the orange circle there is a diamond shaped purple color or violet, whatever be that, violet color. Now we have to observe these diamond shapes are same patterns, or after one diamond shape there is a circular part, and after that one diamond, then triangle, then diamond, then triangle. Now you see that all the diamond shaped designs are same or not. First one, see, purple color, orange color, and yellow color. Yes, the second one also showing the same pattern. Purple color, orange color circle, and after that yellow triangle. Now third diamond shapes, you see that, yes, that is also alternate shapes are giving the same pattern. That purple color diamond, inside orange color circle, and inside that yellow color triangle. The last diamond shape also the same. So that means all the diamond shaped patterns or designs are same, and it continued the same rule. That means one after or alternate designs are this diamond shape, and all diamond shapes are same patterns following the same rule. So there is no mistake in this diamond shaped pattern. Now you observe the triangular pattern, triangle shape. The first triangle yellow color, inside that there is an orange color circle, and inside that there is a diamond shaped purple color or violet color. Now the second triangle you observe, in the second triangle also triangle is yellow, but here circular design is not given inside. In the first triangle there is orange colored circular shape, but in the second triangle it is not circular shape, it has given a diamond shaped orange color, and inside that there is a purple colored circle. So the fourth figure is not following the pattern or the rule. It is breaking the rule. Now the third triangle you observe, the first and the third triangle are same. Yellow triangle, inside that orange color circle, and the purple color diamond shaped. That means second triangle and the last triangles are same. So which one is the incorrect figure? The fourth figure or the second triangle is the wrong one. That we have to put a cross mark there. Which one is wrong? Or tick mark. The incorrect one you have to put a tick mark, and the correct should be the correct pattern we have corrected here. This is the correct pattern to follow the rule. Now the next heading in this page is magic squares. This heading magic square we will start tomorrow or next class.